Hello, this is Ivy from Yongkang Victbull Hardware. Our company was established in 2016, and this is our company's logo. We have 3 product lines, including trampoline, pull-up bar, and pedal bike. And now we are using the TradeWheel's services. Our account manager, Drake, always provide us a great buyers who are connected with us on WhatsApp and email, and we upgraded our account from advanced to VIP because of the TradeWheel's good services. And I really appreciate their help and support. Thank you.